Hey guys, I'm Cam, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in a beautiful town called Campbelltown for a car show. Campbelltown is about a 45-minute drive from Launceston with so many amazing places to visit. And here is a Cadillac Eldorado, and I'll check out the rest of the show. Sitting just here is a Ford Mustang, and I've seen this race at Simmons Plains. It sounds wicked. And it's sitting next to this Humber Vogue. Now this is a paint job to see. We got a flame paint job. We got purple at the back, and then we got silver for the flames. Here at the Campbell Town Car Show, we don't have just cars. We also have a lot of model cars here. Now we've seen this truck before for King of the Mountain, and it's just in front of this memorial here. Now check out this beauty. And we have a BMW Z3 following behind it. Z4, sorry. This here is an FJ Holden, and next to it is its twin. We usually see these two at Don Mario's. We got the yellow HR and the blue EH, and another one is this Kingswood here with the surfboards out the back. SLR 5000 Tiranas seem to be pretty popular nowadays, as we have a blue one sitting here. And also this green one that I'm pretty sure I see at Don Mario's. The EHs also seem to be popular opinion. This here is one of Shannon's top 5 cars at the event. So Shannon's are choosing the 5 favourites, and they're putting this little slip in there. That's just on the windshield there, and it is pretty sick in this orange colour with a bit of black on the side. We need to drop it down more, maybe more, even more. Same with these two. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but this is stylish, especially with these rims. They're shiny as hell. I don't know what this is, but yeah. We have this S15 here with a hard tune sticker on it and gold on the intakes. So I came in this car here, shout out to Gary, and he's parked it next to this Commodore right here. There is a Commodore that looks just like this in the National Automobile Museum of Tasmania, but this one looks pretty sick, in the black with a bit of red on the side, and of course it's a V8. Now, I like these. This is a BMW 2002 Turbo, and something I like about it is the single exhaust at the back. I've been seeing a few EH utes around the place, and this one especially. The colour is really sick, and it's got the single exhaust coming out down here as well. I haven't actually seen too many of these before. It's a blue BMW M5. This is a sick trailer to carry your bikes, and we got 2 Suzuki bikes on the back. These 2 Bel Airs look sick. I've always loved the Bel Airs, especially because of how stylish they are. We have a few cars leaving now, including the Humber Vogue. And also this Cadillac. The Eldorado. Here's a yellow Mustang, and also this red Commodore with a Pontiac front end on it. Well, I'm just eating my ice cream, and it's good.
Louise Morrison, finishing in 878. A motorcycle car donated on motors to Launceston was won by Steve
I think all the BMWs are about to leave. I can see all their headlights on, and it looks pretty sick. They're all Z3s and Z4s, I think, including this one here. Might sit up here for a little bit, get the cars coming out. So we have this Mark 1. And also this Ducati motorcycle.
But anyway, yeah, but anyway, I'll try and keep it.
Here come the Beamers now. So we got 2 Z4s, or 3 Z4s in a row. We have a Z3, this blue one here. Then we have this Lancia. And this red Commodore. And that's all that is coming out right now. Here comes the orange R-Spec Mustang as well.
Thank you, guys.
And this white Moke Mini. We have a beautiful Challenger coming out now. Here we go, we have 2 SLR 5000 Tiranas. One in a blue and one in a more purple colour. So the Challenger is coming back in now. And we have a couple more leaving as well. We have a pretty good lineup coming now, so I'll get these rolling out. I'm going to go down as I do have to leave in a moment, but yeah. That was a pretty long lineup, but yeah, bunch of sick cars in that. Titty up, Todd. Alrighty guys, that'll be a wrap for this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.